Earth rejoices our birth breathing and peaceful step. Let every breath, every bird and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us.
Good morning to everyone present here. This is Kashish.
And Bhavishya from class plus 2 presenting today morning assembly. Earth, our home, is the third and beautiful planet from the sun and the holiest place in the universe.
Earth, our planet is an amazing place, but it needs our help to thrive today. On 22nd April, we are celebrating Earth Day. We celebrate this every year to protect the planet. Dear friends, let us return thanks to our mother, the Earth. We would
All classes, attention! Studies, attention! Studies.
we would like to call prayer girls on the stage for morning prayer.
देश की रक्षा कौन करेगा कौन करेगा देश की रक्षा करना जय जवान सारे जहां से अच्छा सदा ऊंचा रहे जय हिंद Positive changes speak to everyone and make your voice heard. It's time to listen today's thought. For this, I would like to call Rahul from class 6 for thought.
A very fresh good morning to all. My name is Rahul from CSF. Today's thought is, when we honor the earth, we honor ourselves. I repeat my thought. When we honor the earth, we honor ourselves. Thanks and have a nice day.
Now we would like to invite Ritika from class 8 for GK questions.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ritika. Today's questions are: how many main layers does Earth have? Right answer. Which number of planet is Earth from the Sun? Right answer.
Protecting the environment matters to everyone. If we honor the earth every day, we honor ourselves always. But how? How to honor the earth? By looking for ways we can reduce, reuse and recycle throughout our homes. By conserving energy at home, by reducing paper waste, by turning off taps, there are so many ways by which we can support environment, and this is why we honor the earth. If we take care of our earth, the earth will take care of us. We would like to call Sweetie from class 6 for poem on our beautiful Mother Earth.
Hey to all of you, my name is Vicky from APG House. My today poem. Earth Day comes on a year, but we should make our message clear.
Earth is our mother. Earth as it only planet where life can exist. As life exists mean the home place where we born, where we grow, where we eat and play, here we get everything what we need to survive. Dear friend, we must take care our motherland. And now we would like to call Saiba and team for receipt a skip on our beautiful Mother Earth.
Country for land for house country, I will be reduce oxygen and life giving. I will be strong when you will cut that tree. Country, ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I am a wagon. I produce CO2 and other harmful gases. CO2 is industries, air pollution, water pollution. Ha ha ha. More industries, more cutting down of trees. More than destroys, no population. Who is responsible? Human and human. Cancer, AC leaking, refrigerator producing meat, CFC, we will the ozone hole and we will destroy it all. Now who is responsible for it all? Human. Now no one is there to help you.
New plant grow from soil. New plant grow from soil.
We will not allow you anymore to destroy our mother earth. We will reduce our bad habits and your bad efforts will not differ. We will grow more plants and we will have electronic cars and scooters. We will have air, solar or water for more energy than for the students. They will do invention so that the CFC will not release.
We cannot destroy our Mother Earth so that we and all the animals can survive for years. Yes, students, live on our Mother Earth and wait for our positive effect.
I pledge to make every day Earth Day by doing